Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to follow a Bob Ross tutorial. You've all seen it, the trend that is being around YouTube, the whole trying to follow a makeup tutorial. I love watching them, and immediately I thought of something art related because obviously I don't know how to do makeup and like that would just feel. Bob Ross, if you don't know, is this artist from the 80s. 90s, like he is a TV artist, I don't know what to call it, but basically he did tutorials. You all seen the Bob Ross tutorial. He's very calm and positive, and like you see his videos and you're instantly like motivated to do a art piece, even if it's acrylics, which that's like my main problem I guess, because I don't do acrylics, and I thought about like maybe I should do watercolors, but I don't want to cheap out on this. Like if I do a Bob Ross tutorial, then I will follow with acrylics. I'm a beginner in acrylics, like I haven't done acrylics in years and I've never really seriously got into it, so I have no ideas about techniques and whatever. There were so many videos, like he has hundreds of paintings, hundreds of episodes, so I just randomly scrolled through YouTube and found one. I let you decide on my Instagram stories which one I should pick, and this one was it, from season 29. Oh my god, 29 seasons! I was wrong about 10. 29 seasons, episode 1 actually. Bob Ross. The joy of painting. Oh, obviously, that's how it's called.
If this is your first time with us, allow me to extend a personal invitation for you to get your brushes and your paints and paint along with us each show. We'll use about a dozen colors of some unorthodox brushes, and each show I'll show you how to put some of nature's masterpieces right here on the canvas. Right there.
Yes, it says all of the paints that I will need, and I'm pretty sure I don't have enough, but he says brush and canvas, so that's the first step. Perfect. And then paints. So let's see what he has for paints. I don't think I can use this. It kind of... I'm afraid it will explode. He has 12 colors here. And now I'm gonna assemble all my colors. It's just gonna be a pretty rainbow. I finally managed to arrange all the colors, which I feel like it's already enough work for a tutorial. It's like the reason why I don't do acrylics. It might have to do with the fact that these paints are really old and really crappy, but still. So finally ready to start.
I've just covered the entire canvas with a very thin coat of liquid white. The liquid white is designed just to make the canvas wet and to make it slick. It allows us to actually blend color right here on the canvas.
He talks about that you should wet the canvas with a white color in the entire page, or not page, canvas. Oh my god, it drips! It drips. It's cool. I don't know what I'm doing! Wow, look at me! Huh? Doing acrylics. You would have never thought that, right? Okay, I know how to do a white canvas. Such a pro.
And let's go right up here. And we'll take this old brush and just making little X's, little crisscross strokes. We'll just very quickly drop in just a little warm part in the sky here.
You hear? This whole tutorial is like 25 minutes. I'm kind of already failing at the first step of this. Bob Ross probably has also way better colors than I do, but we're just gonna blend, 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 blend. You see me do me blend, blend, blend. Oh god, what should I do now? Oh, I need some help. I can't do this. This should be a cloud. You know, it's purple, but that's okay. We like purple clouds. Oh, this does not look anywhere near how Bob does it. Kinda blue, okay. I'm doing a Bob Ross tutorial. Okay. Beautiful. I'm not complaining. Oh yeah! He does this like flappy motion with his brush, but I'm not gonna attempt this because I have a white wall. For a moment I was like... I think I just painted my walls.
In your world, you create any illusion that you want. There. You can even take another 2 inches.
Mist. We're gonna create mist right now. Okay.
Really get in there and tap it and then lift upward. It'll help create that illusion of mist right down at the bottom. It does now. Some little trees back in here. Now these are a little closer. You're seeing a little more detail, a little more distinct. There. And we just drop them in. We don't know where they go. And the white will end up looking like little trunks in those trees. Drop in just a little water line. Just a happy little water line lives back in here somewhere. Out. There it goes. It's easier to do them fast than it is slow, though. See? Because we don't make mistakes here. We have happy accidents.
See? No mistakes. Happy accidents. You know, practice makes perfect. I'm aware that, you know, the more you paint, the better you get. Like, that's with everything. And I can imagine that, like, if you start really young, or like even now, where I like draw or paint his paintings every, like, Saturday, like, didn't you used to do this when you were little? You would spend just mornings watching his show, and it was kind of like a magical thing where you didn't really know why this guy painted. Like, he just paints, he just does it, and it's kind of beautiful. Paint because you love to paint, and not just because it just has to look beautiful or, you know, perfect. I definitely agree with Bob Ross in that.
This is your bravery test. Take the corner of the old 2-inch brush, and let's just begin laying in a basic shape here for a tree that lives right there. Right there. Big old tree. But he's a nice tree. You have to decide what lives here, how far it goes, how tall is it, how short is it, fat, skinny, in between. It's your world. This is a monster tree. Huge tree. Here we go with my smaller tree, because I think he needs a friend. And we'll make all kinds of little bushes and trees and happy little things that live here in our world. I think we better have a finished painting. It's that easy. Have time. Take a photograph, send to us. Let us hear from you. I'd like to wish you happy painting, and God bless, my friend.
This is my finished Bob Ross painting. It kind of looks crappy, okay? It does look crappy, but like, I can say that at first I was really reluctant. I was very worried it wouldn't go well, and like, it's kind of crazy. But you know what? I really enjoyed it. Like, the tutorial took like a half an hour, and he talked so calm. He talked about details, he talked about depth. I can learn so much from Bob Ross. I'm serious. I will watch some more tutorials and like get his knowledge and try this out. I especially like how he talked about details, and like, I do like it. You know, I feel generally this is a positive piece. So I would highly recommend you try a Bob Ross tutorial. So let me know what you think about this. Have you tried a Bob Ross tutorial? If not, do you want to, and do you do acrylics? I'm not sure if I want to continue doing acrylics. It kind of seems overwhelming, but maybe Bob Ross will help me with this. Who knows? That's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more, and that's it. Bye!